This is the confirm ticket app, train ticket app. Booking status, current status, which coach you have to check waitlist prediction also. Confirmed seat on same train when waitlisted. book, book confirm ticket to sleeper or normal. Cheapest, the cheapest halt, best halt. If you are not ticket cancelled, if you get the refund amount also. Train plus train alternative options also. 380 type TC, 202 type TC. Book trains from nearby stations. Oh, running status also. If you travel in train, then also check running status. Which station had to come, which station before come or after come. Also, you have to check this in this.